We just turned 23. It was the world versus you and me. We were both head over heels. Yeah, you remember how that feels. We thought we would win somehow. We're laughing at that now. The day it all fell apart, it felt like you were holding my hurting heart. We swore we'd try again. That was the beginning of the end. I wanna tell you that I'm different. Oh, that time in love was well spent. You know we had to learn along the way, so we could look back and smile someday. Say I'm sorry, but that wouldn't be true. I'd rather say I'm happier, and I know that you are too. If I'm honest, I'm overjoyed. Now I know why this is my voice. So we could look back and smile someday. So far, it's been quite an adventure with you here by my side. And there's a part of me that goes on forever, and I'm willing to let it shine. And if I told you that we're just getting started, would you keep on keeping on with me? 'Cause I try to be open-hearted. I hope that's alright. I'm learning as I go. And it's a long and winding road with perils and dangerous turns. So far, we've built a tiny empire in the middle of a wild and wondrous world. If we keep on going like we're going, there's no telling how big and how fun this could get. There's a voice in my mind that's scared of what's ahead, but I'm having too much of a good old time, 'cause I know when you're with me that we're gonna be alright. Since we sang our first song together, I knew that we'd be just fine. Yeah. We're gonna keep on singing to the stars. We'll stay on the run and keep on chasing daylight. It's a long and winding road with perils and dangerous turns. The hardest part is staying true, but I know when you're with me, that's all that I want to do. All that I want to do. Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like. Want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe